Hello, everyone. I am just going to share our putting up the meat day with you quickly. I took the ground meat, put it in a bowl, mixed it all together with breadcrumbs and seasoning. Use the seasoning of your choice, and then you taste it. Take a couple hamburger patties and put them in your skillet and put them on a stove and cook them to make sure they taste good. And if they taste good, then you put them in the jars along with the parchment paper. As you can see, we put parchment paper in between every patty that we made. Then the chicken thighs, you put them in and with hot sauce. My daughter calls them buffalo chicken, and it is really, really good. And I put it in each one, and then I kind of jiggled it a little bit to make sure that some of the hot sauce would go down into the bottom of the jar. And now I am using what we call the chubs, 1 pound packages of ground meat. And I put it in the quart all by itself. As I say, you don't have to add water to it. I packed it down a little bit with the packer. And I poured some hot sauce in it. That was my daughter with the candy cane. Okay. I've never poured hot sauce in ground meat like that before, so we'll find out what it's like whenever we cook it. One thing about canning is you can do anything you want. You can experiment with anything you want. See what you like, you know what I mean? Try new things. It's awesome, guys. And we wiped off the... Oh, this is where I'm wiping off the lids, the rims of the jars. And after we wipe off the rims of our jars with 5% vinegar, then you take, that's our chicken with the hot sauce. Just giving you a little up close look. There you go. I'm putting them in the canner. I processed them for 90 minutes. 75 pints, 90 minutes for quarts. I processed them, I think that's before I put them in. That's after I took them out. Before I put them in. And that's it. God bless you.